Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Lastly, click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!